How to recover Among Us account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first way is to check your login method. So open Among Us and see if you are logged in with your Google account, your Apple account, or Facebook account. Make sure that you are logging in with the same method and account you originally used. If not, your data will not sync. The next fix is you can try to restore purchases if items are missing. So in Among Us again, tap on the settings option you see there and then tap on the data option. Here tap on restore purchases option as this helps bring back your skins, stars and bundles if they are missing. The next fix is to reinstall and then log in again. So uninstall Among Us from your device and then reinstall it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Now go ahead and log in using the correct account method. This refresh can often bring your account data back. And the last fix is you can try to contact Innersloth support. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for innersloth.com/contact. Now select Among Us and then tap on the account recovery option. Go ahead and fill out the form with your username, platform, purchase details, and issue description. They usually reply within a few days and your issue will be fixed. So this is how you can recover Among Us account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.